guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is T, and today I am reacting to Southern Suns. It's from one of my Patreon members, Ron. From what I understand, because as you know, I don't do research, but I do check out to see if it has anything in the description of the videos, just to get a sense of if anything's happening that I should know of, and basically not making me sound like such a fool. So, what I can gather from the description box is that this song, this performance was the first time, the only time that they have ever sung this song, right? And I don't know if the band had broken up at this point, but apparently they sang it almost acoustically, but he did point out that his partner, the person he sang it with, this is the best performance vocally from him he had ever heard. So I've never heard of Southern Suns. I don't think I've even heard them from my live streams, but I guess down in the comment section you'll be able to tell me if I have or have not, but I just don't remember them in case I did. So I'm pretty excited. So I am overly excited about this particular one. I love reacting to new artists, bands, and the like. All right, now, before we head into anything, let me just let you all know, especially if you're new, I tend to pause and chat a bit during my reactions. Simply because I will lose my train of thought by the end of it. I'm not that disciplined, unfortunately. However, I will always have the link to the original video in the description box below, along with the links to my Discord community, which is free to join, and it has a whole plethora of things there that might interest you, as well as the links to my Twitch channel where I live stream all the music you want for free every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Cool? Now, if you haven't done it already, if you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, that will be the greatest thing you could do for me, besides watching the video, of course. Alright, that's it. Alright, if you're ready, I'm ready. Ooh. Alright, let's get this show a-cracking. I am found. Southern Songs. Oh, and by the way, this song was taken from quite a while ago, in the 90s. So, you know, before DVDs and stuff now. So, it's a little blurry.
Murray, it's a song called I Am Found.
VHS, boy. Nothing much to say at this point in time, because this particular song is more of just a cool listen, because it's a genre that I don't particularly seek out. But he's right. His voice is absolutely beautiful. Very nice. Really, really nice southern, not southern, really nice tonal quality to his voice. Real ASMR thing going on. It's like a lullaby. It could put you to sleep. That is a complimentary because I suffer tremendously from insomnia. So if they could get my backside to sleep, that's saying something.
Make no sound, take me home now. Though you're a stranger to this place, in yours I see my Father's face. Hallelujah, hallelujah, I am found, I am found, I am found, found, and though my fear has ended, found and heaven is descending.
I would like to know before we reach the end of the song, was Southern Songs a Christian band? Or is this just, because not only Christian bands sing inspirational songs or even religiously toned songs, spiritual songs. So I would like to know though, because as I said before, I had never heard or reacted to Southern Sons. So if they were a Christian band, could you put that in the comment section below, please? Thank you so much.
Now at last I breathe. From the ground where I did lay, to this place where sunlight plays. Hallelujah, hallelujah, I am found, found, and all my fear has ended, found, and heaven is descending, found, and now at last I'm free. Weep not, my friend, for I am
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. As I said before, I am not a Christian music or Christian genre lover. I do not seek it out. By principle, I don't really listen to it at all. I don't really find myself in the position to enjoy that sort of music. However, as an overall lover of music, I can deeply appreciate his voice. It was so angelic, so beautiful. It was just took you away. Literally, it just took you away. And when he was saying, I am found, and it was just like you're floating on air, you know what I mean? I like to let myself go when I'm listening to a song. I don't really hold my emotions back or hold anything at all back. I just want all the emotions raw. It's not really that much of a leap for me because I have my emotions on my sleeve. I'm just like that naturally. So bravo. Kudos to what he said before, and by he, I mean Phil Buckle. That's his name. I guess he was the one playing the guitar. This was in Melbourne, Australia, and the singer was Jack Jones. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, his vocal delivery was just outstanding. So thank you very, very much, Ron, for that beautiful request. As always, you always pull them out of the hat and introduce me to some hits, some misses, but never a dull moment for sure. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my reaction to Southern Suns. First of all, if you've enjoyed yourself and my reaction, please go ahead and give the video a like. It helps, the video to be seen and to get up there. For others, it's a whole rigmarole thing. Also, as I was saying just now, if you happen to be a fan of Southern Suns, or you just love the song that I just reacted to, and you would like to hear more from them, go seek them out. Find a song that you would want me to react to, if at all that is the case. Find the link, put it down in the comment section, Discord, or all the other places that are, as I said, linked below for you all to be able to get those requests or suggestions to me. Also, just remember, of course, if you still haven't done it, please click the subscribe button. But don't forget to do the notification bell, because that is the main way that YouTube will notify you that I have dropped another reaction video. Okay? Now, inside of the description box, when you're going to check out either the link to the original or to the Discord server, beyond that is links to the artist and the band. I will have those there to you. And as I said before, after all of that is the link to my Twitch, my Patreon, all the other ways that you can help support the channel if indeed you decide to do so. It's not necessary, but it's definitely appreciated for sure. Alright guys, that's it. All in a nutshell. Thank you so much if you've made it to this end of the video. Bless your heart. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, of course, as always, remember to be safe out there. Okay? And of course, be you, do not have to others, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye, everybody.